Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to report abuse in Words with Friends. If you want to protect your gaming experience by reporting abusive players in Words with Friends, first of all, launch open Words with Friends app on your device like you normally would. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the player's name in order to open up their profile. I'm just gonna open up a random contact over here. After selecting a player, click on the View Full Profile button at the bottom once you see this pop up. And once you're inside their profile, tap on the gear button at the top right. And you will see this chat setting option from where you can block, mute, or report the contact. In order to report the player for abuse, click on Report Abuse and select whether you'd like to report the person's profile name or their photo. On the next page, go ahead and select a region for your report, enter more information if you want, and finally click on the Report button at the bottom in order to report the contact. Soon after you do that, the report will be sent to the Words with Friends support team, who will review the situation and take action if necessary. So that's how you easily report abuse in Words with Friends so that you can get rid of abusive players and protect your gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.